So I've spent some time with the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus in black, and honestly, this thing is a straight-up gaming monster, but it's not for everyone. Under the hood, you're looking at a heavily overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, plus up to 24GB of RAM. And yeah, it's the first Android phone I've tested that can break a 4000 Geekbench single-core score. In real gaming, it just doesn't slow down. The screen is a huge 6.85-inch 144Hz AMOLED with no notch at all, thanks to an under-display camera. It feels insanely immersive. And the built-in cooling fan actually works. You can game for hours and it barely heats up. Battery life is another win at 8,000 mAh with super fast charging to match. But here's the catch. The cameras are just okay, it's heavy, and it's clearly built for gaming first, everything else second. So my verdict? If you're a hardcore mobile gamer, this is absolutely worth it. If not, you're better off with a more balanced flagship.